Bob might seem like a normal person. But what he does is very special. Part of Bob's job is testing and assembling connectors that are used in automation systems around the world. And some of those systems create clean water to support a sustainable future for generations to come. Bob takes pride in his work, and he knows that the products he helps create have a positive impact on the world.
Together, we are working to empower a smart and sustainable world for future generations.
Join us as we work together for solutions that support sustainability for the benefit of all people.